All right, we've got the Boho Jock Cocktail Smoker Kit gift set. This can be given as a gift to someone else, but it can also be given as a gift to yourself as well. That's very important. So I'm going to open it up. As you can see, it's just very nice presentation. The first thing I want to say comes with these ice cubes right here, these nice stone ice cubes that I've already got put in here. I'll just show you one of them really quick so you can see what it looks like. Pretty sweet.
So
nice.
So you can like keep it cold
keep it
without
cold.
watering it down.
And also it makes it look official as well. That's my favorite part. So first thing I want to show comes with these various different flavorings of the smoker wood chips. So there's 2 of them right there. And there's another 2. And now before we do anything with these, I'm going to pour the drink first. So we're going to finish off this Knob Creek. Maybe not finish it off, but we're just going to, maybe we'll finish. Yeah, let's just finish it off. We're just going to finish it off right here. There we go.
That's how you know you're doing the right thing.
That's how you know you're excited about life right now. So then we're going to take this. And so the first thing I actually want to go over is, so we're going to put this over like so with the wood chips. So right here, the smoke comes out of these holes right here. It has these holes all around it. And basically it comes with this cleaning brush right here. So you can just stick it into every hole and just make sure it stays nice and clean. So that's pretty sweet. And so what we'll do, we're going to put this on top here. We're going to put this screen on top of that. Fits right in there. And then we are going to open up one of these wood chip flavors. Okay, there we go. All right. So got that open. It also comes with this nice spoon. So we're going to use the spoon to get the wood chips. We don't want to get too much, just a little bit, just to get a little bit of flavoring in there. And from there, we're going to want to take the torch. And so this torch, it's amazing. It works with basically any run-of-the-mill butane cartridge. So whatever butane cartridge you want, it'll fit. You just tip it upside down, push it in there, wait a couple minutes, and then you're good to go. So we're good. And I'll show you what the flame looks like. There's what the flame looks like. And now the flame can also be adjusted on the bottom by basically you pull that up and you twist it either one way or the other to make it smaller or bigger. And so what we're going to do, we're just going to hold it over for about 3, maybe 5 seconds. So as you can see, it's going. And so now it's got some nice smokiness going. And as you can see, the smoke's dropping into the whiskey. So it's infusing the whiskey with the flavoring of the wood chips. I'm going to do another round of it just to get some extra flavoring down there. And so you can see, oh, dude, that looks amazing. So as you can see, it's just dropping in. It's dropping in. It just looks amazing. You can let it sit as long as you want just to get that flavoring in there. But yeah, you want to come up and I'll lift it up and you can sort of just get a vibe on. You can see there's the smoke. It just looks amazing. Looks amazing. You can just see that's the vibe. You can smell like that's
the smell.
The smell is amazing. So I'm excited to drink this. You are very excited to drink this as well. Highly recommend.